Yes, complete na kami. Yes, ma'am. Kompleto na sila. Yeah.
Facilitator this morning. He is the master teacher too at Calamba Bayside Integrated School, and he will share with us about selecting appropriate teaching strategies for optimal learning. Ladies, gentlemen and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Sir Angelo Carlo P. Bulanes.
Hey.
this training. Mag-recall muna tayo, balikan muna natin mula sa session 1. Tingnan nga natin ang ating mga notes. Tingnan po natin. Let's look back at our session number 1. Tungkol po saan ang session 1? And what was the topic? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Session 1, understanding the revised K-10 curriculum. Then it was followed by the second session. Ano ito po? The second session? The kindergarten to grade 10 instructional design framework, or the IDF. Then it was followed on the second day by session 3. Tungkol po saan ang session 3? Curriculum deep dive, internalizing Science 9 quarters 1 and 2 curriculum. And for session 4, it focused on curriculum deep dive, internalizing Science 9 quarters 3 and 4 curriculum. And this morning, with Sir Carlos, we had the selecting appropriate teaching strategies for optimal learning. And this afternoon, learning. So that will be the last lesson planning, workshop 2, demo teaching, workshop 3, yung walk. And then, home, sweet home na po tayo. So,
Marami tayong pwedeng mag-mix or pagganyan. Tama ba na? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ang yan, oral protein. Oral protein na. Ano ang gagawin natin nito? Okay. Diba? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Kapag thank you, Kiki. Bigyan natin ng 5 bagsak. Go! Ayun yung talaga.
Extinction. So, ito po yung mga nahantak namin na learning objectives. Define biodiversity, identify the threatened, endangered, and extinct animals, and then explain how threats to biodiversity can lead to extinction. So, dito po sa teaching strategy namin, first objective is inquiry. So, meron ang Q&A na namin tayo inquiry. Ang cognitive dimension po namin is remembering. Knowledge dimension is factual. Fall po siya sa conceptual. Ang method po ng assessment method is written. Is written siya, ang strategy namin ay essay. And then, kailangan namin ng tool na using para
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, let us give them 5 flags. Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, thank you.
Confident borders, right? Sabi ko na lang po the strategize of laying down the system around the earth. So our untapped objectives ko, define laying boundaries for that one. Then for our teaching strategy is inquiry based. Then our cognitive demonstration sa ano po, sa remembering. Then tugma naman po siya sa factual na knowledge prevention. For assessment method, we will use oral probing po. Assessment strategy is discussion. And assessment mo will use book. Then po, conceptual. Then our assessment method po is written. Assessment strategy po, concept mapping, and our assessment tool will use
Thank you, ma'am. Let us give them 5 flags. Go! Okay.
we have the first one, because that is our movement and response to the focus, define the first goals, life, and acceptance. So, we use this strategy is a way of which under the interface approach to the approach to the strategy. That's the kind of what we do. That is actually then we conduct display or change the class of an object affects its acceleration when a constant force is applied. Naman always and then we can write the observation.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, 5 flags for team and 1, 2, 3, go!